Why your email matters more than you think. Ever sent an important email and wondered if it looked professional enough? Whether you're running a business, freelancing, or just want to elevate your personal brand, a professional email address makes a huge difference. A generic Gmail, Yahoo, or Hotmail address doesn't exactly scream credibility. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a sleek and professional business email using Hostinger. I am Dr. Naeem and you are watching Trend AI Today. Like and share the video with your all-professional friends. Subscribe Trend AI Today to get notification of our coming exiting videos. Stay with me till the end of this video, because by the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functional business email that instantly boosts your brand's credibility. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the difference between personal and business emails. Before we jump into the setup, let's quickly discuss what separates a professional email from a generic one. Take a look at these two examples. yourbusiness@gmail.com versus contact@yourbusiness.com. Which one looks more trustworthy? Clearly, the second one. Having a business email instantly signals professionalism to clients, partners, and customers. Generic email providers, Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, available to anyone, lacks exclusivity. Business email with custom domain, yourname@yourbusiness.com, unique, credible, and enhances brand trust. Can you get a business email for free? Not really, except for those included in hosting plans. A professional email requires a domain name. That's where Hostinger comes in. Let's move on to the setup process. Step 2. Setting up your business email with Hostinger. For this tutorial, we'll use Hostinger because it's affordable, one of the cheapest shared hosting providers. Feature-packed, even the cheapest plan includes a free business email. Easy to use, comes with a website builder for quick business setup. Your contact details, phone, email, social links, your company logo, if applicable. Save your signature and apply it to outgoing emails, creating your Hostinger email account. 1. Log in to Hostinger. If you just signed up, you'll be guided through an easy setup process to claim your free domain. Navigate to the dashboard, click on Emails in the main menu. Find your domain name, select it, and click Manage. Choose your plan. If available, select the free plan. Fill in your details. Email name. Choose something short and easy to remember. info@yourbusiness.com. Password. Set a strong, secure password. Recovery email. Add a backup email to regain access if needed. Congratulations! Your business email is now set up. To access it, simply click Webmail on your Hostinger dashboard. Step 3. Adding a professional email signature. Want to make your emails look even more professional? A well-designed email signature gives your messages a polished touch and builds trust with recipients. How to set up an email signature on Hostinger. 1. Go to your Webmail dashboard. 2. Click the cog icon, Settings, Preferences. 3. Select Signatures and create a new one. 4. Add your information, your name and title. John Doe Marketing Specialist, your company name and website. 5. Pro tip: you can also use email signature generators, linked in the description, for more professional designs. Step 4. Setting up email forwarding. For convenience, wouldn't it be great if all your business emails automatically forwarded to your personal Gmail or Outlook account? That way, you won't have to log into Webmail separately. How to set up email forwarding in Hostinger. 1. Go to Hostinger's email dashboard. 2. Select your email account. 3. Click Create Forwarder. 4. Enter your personal email address. 5. Save and activate now. Every email sent to your business address will also land in your personal inbox. The power of a business email in just a few minutes. You've transformed the way you communicate with clients and customers. A business email is one of the easiest ways to boost your credibility without spending a fortune. Recap: a professional email makes you look credible and trustworthy. Hostinger offers an affordable, easy-to-use solution. A custom email signature enhances your brand. Email forwarding ensures you never miss an important message. What's next? Now that you have a business email, why not set up a simple business website using Hostinger's website builder? That's another easy step to take your online presence to the next level. Before you go, if you found this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the Trend AI Today for more tech and business tips. Also, check the exclusive discount link in the description to save even more on Hostinger plans. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.